Hello everyone, for today's video I would like to do a quick unboxing, setup and review of this Ameifu Air Purifier. And you can see right here, this is an air purifier model number GDAP-White-US with an adapter that's good for 100 to 240 volts. Rated power is 15 watts. Input voltage is 24 volts. Input current is 1 amp, and the cord length is about 6 feet right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up and set it up. So when you open it up, it'll come with this notification that you need to open the base and take out the adapter. And you also have a quick start guide right here. Okay, so once you open it, you want to open the base. And in here, you'll see that you have the power adapter as well as your filter. So this filter can be purchased from Amazon. So if you enter GDAP-White-US in the search bar or model number B0B8DK4G5R, this filter is going to show up. So if you look at the filter, you have the pre-filter, which is the small screen right here. The HEPA filter is the paper, and in the back you'll see that there are some honeycomb activated carbon filter. So it has a 3-stage filter, supposed to be able to filter up to 2.5 bulk, pollen, smoke, and remove the odor as well, and allergens. So let me go ahead and install this in. If you look here as well, you'll see the fan right there. It's kind of like a turbo fan. That is what probably gives it a fast airflow. So to install the filter, you simply put it in. See that? It's centered. And basically just install the cover. Okay? So you have like a little notch right there. So just follow where the notch are and close it. So on the top, you'll see that there are the hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour, and you have the filter change, you have the 1, 2, 3, and here you have the power button, the fan selection, you have an auto mode, which is good. So it's better to just always set it up in auto modes, because auto mode will actually adjust the fan settings depending on the air quality in your room. And you have a time right here, so if you want to set it to the hours right there, you just press the time. And one good thing right here, this is the only one that I found that have a place where you can put an essential oil, so you can always add an oil right here, essential oil. So to open it, just press it, and you see that it opens up, and there's like a small sponge right here where you can add a couple of drops of oil. Okay, so to close it back, see this notch right there, you just put it in and push it. Okay, so open is push, and then close is the same thing. So to plug it in, the adapter goes over here. So let me just put it like this. Okay, and if you look over here, let me turn it on. Okay, so you have the thing is changing from red, green, and kind of like yellow. And let's see, let me put it on auto mode. And now it senses the air that I have now in my room, and now it switches to green. And since I have it in auto mode, it goes into an ultra quiet mode, so you can't really hear the fan anymore at this point. So let me go and change the fan setting. Let me go to the highest setting. It's kind of like a regular desk fan noise. So I'm not sure if you can really see the green color right there. Let me go ahead and do a test. I'm gonna put it in auto mode right now. And let me go ahead and spray some disinfectant and see if this will change and how long will it take before it recognizes it and how long will it take before clearing it up. So let me go turn on my stopwatch. And let me just spray it around here. Oops, it actually recognized it right away. See that? Within seconds. And right now it is red. So let's see how long will it take before it turns back to green. Okay, so right now it's 2 minutes and 50 seconds and it's still going in and out between red and green. Okay, so it's already at 4 minutes. So at around 2.5 minutes, it started switching from red to green, and the fan starts switching from low to high, and it's been doing that for over 2 minutes now. It's still probably detecting some of the disinfectant in the air. That's why it keeps going in and out. And let's see how long will it take before it actually turns solid green. Okay, so it looks like it now settles into green, and this is about 8 minutes. Let me pause this timer. It took about 8 minutes 11 seconds before it actually settles into just green. So basically after I spray the chemical, it switches to red right away and it started spinning fast. And then after that it switches from red to yellow, red to yellow. That's after about 2.5 minutes. And it keeps doing that for 4 minutes. And then after that it switches from green to yellow, green, yellow. It just keeps switching back and forth. 8 minutes 11 seconds, it actually switches to all green. So let's see. I can feel the fan right now. So it looks like the lights turns off after. So let me go ahead and wait until all the lights turned off again. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna do another spray here of disinfectant, and just to see if this will turn up again. Okay. Right now the fan is actually in the ultra quiet mode. I can still feel the fan on the top coming out. And let me go ahead and do another disinfectant spray and see if this will turn up. Okay. And I hope you can hear that. It actually speed up the fan, but the lights here did not even give you any indicator. So in order for you to see the indicator on what's going on, you want to press any button, and now you can see that the light now is red right there and it's on number 3. Okay, so I hope that you found this video helpful. Just make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.